This is me 2 years ago putting together my storage unit warehouse. Now, that clean cut, energetic young man had the energy to charge and set up each of these 12 lights that you see on the walls for every storage unit visit. But that has gotten old, and so have I, so I've just been putting up with the darkness. That's no good. I need a better solution. And since others might as well for things like sheds and trailers as well as storage units, I talked to American Green Lights, who hooked me up with the low profile lights for my workshop, and we came up with a solution. These are Bosch battery docks that you can buy. I cut off the latch that locks the battery in place since I'm mounting them in one position and gravity will just hold the batteries until I lift them out. American Green Lights configured LED lights for me to run off 18 volt DC, so this is just the simplest wiring ever, just a switch and a loop around the battery, and it'll work with any common drill battery. If you want something similar, there's an email in the description. This isn't like a polished product yet. It's kind of a one-off sort of thing. So Jim, the owner of American Green Lights, wants to talk to people to work out their exact needs. And just for clarity, I got the lights for free, but I don't get paid if you buy them. I used 6 lights to light up the storage unit with 2 batteries, each of them powering 3 lights. They last about an hour, which is plenty for me. On the rare occasion that I'm in there longer, I can bring more batteries since I have lots of them. So this really isn't a solution if you need to light up a space all day long, but I think that's probably not the case for a lot of sheds and trailers out there. To wrap it up, since I think some will be curious, no, I don't have any protections in place to make sure I don't drain the batteries too much. I just pay attention and check them and have a sense of how long they last. So hopefully that won't bite me. You know, you could do something more sophisticated if you wanted to. All right, that about does it. Thanks for watching.